Hey, purple people. We just got back from the Animate Con, where we had a chance to talk with our friend Brian about the coolest Transformer Bumblebee replicas you have ever seen. Make sure to give Brian a follow on Instagram at LaRue's Beehive. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Tell us what we got going on here.
Hey, my name's Brian. So this is the 1977 Bumblebee from the Transformers Bumblebee movie at the end, or the '07 movie. Both cars were the same cars used. They just basically did a repaint on it. Inside and out, he is 99.9% accurate. The only thing you're going to find on this car that is different is the AM/FM switch on the stereo is below the scanner bar on the radio versus on top, which is what it is for the movie. Otherwise, he is inside and out, dead to rights to the movies. This is a Transformers Edition Camaro from 2012. It is one of the 464 RSs out of the 1,175 that were made. He has been highly modified from that point forward. He's got custom headlights, ZL1 ports, side skirts, mirrors, side markers, carbon fiber interior, custom interior on top of that, customized ZL1 spoiler, with aircraft aluminum side panels to make him match the actual movie car. He's one of the top 10 on the planet. This is one probably the top 5 as far as replicas go, that 77. This one actually talks as well. His vocabulary, about 300 different sayings that he uses to talk through the radio, like Bumblebee did. It's a sample-based system, and there's a 750-watt police PA system actually in the engine compartment of the car.
How do you make it transform?
He only transforms lives. They're usually used for charity events, Make-A-Wish Foundation events, done some work with St. Jude's, and then we have done some anti-bullying events up and down the East Coast with a group that I work with called Team Prime.
And if folks wanted to learn more about the amazing work you're doing here or following your socials, where do we find you?
You find me at LaRue's_Beehive. That's LARUES_BEEHIVE. And then I also own Skids from Transformers 2, which is TF2 Skids, both at Instagram and TikTok. And the same thing with these guys, it's Instagram and TikTok as well.
Where can everyone find you next?
Next, we are going to be definitely at GalaxyCon. We've also got Matthews Comic-Con coming up and Wilkesboro Comic-Con coming up after that. Beyond that, we're just kind of booking out events as they come up for us.
Look forward to seeing you there.
Thank you very much.
Which version of the Camaro is your favorite, the 1977 or the 2007? Let us know in the comments.
I am Bumblebee. XM satellite radio broadcast regional cable broadcasting system. Wow, feel good. You talking to me? Well, I'm the only one here. Check back on the rep. Yep, second to none.
Purple gang gang.